In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Voodoo doll in Once Human. So this is actually quite a new deviant, and that's how you get it. Now, if you open up our map, you want to go to the Chalk Peak area, which is this kind of middle side of the map, and you want to go to this city over here, which is called Evergreen Vineyard, okay? And this is actually, here is Tallgrass Inn, and this is just over these rocks about this Monolith of Thirst. Now up here, at this area, there's kind of this campsite at the kind of left side of this town, okay? As you can see, it's right down there. Now, that is just above that fireplace where this thing spawns, okay? Now, watch out, there's a bunch of enemies over here in this area. However, you should be able to take them out pretty easily because they're not so strong. I think they're level 32, and yeah, it's not that hard. Now, currently, as you can see, it's not spawned, so I can't see it over here. However, it does spawn at this location. So if you don't find it at the very beginning, you may have to come here again and again and again and simply change worlds and stuff like that, and eventually you'll be definitely able to find it here somewhere in the middle. It has a bit low of a drop rate, of a securement rate usually, so you're gonna have to kind of grind it out to get it. However, it's very good. It can take up your damage in combat, or it can kind of transition the damage different enemies do to themselves and stuff like that. So it's quite useful, and it's definitely worth getting if you can, if you want to, and if you have the time. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.